on our way to the chicken coop, and it's so cool. Look at that. Look. Oh my goodness, look at that chicken. Oh, oh no, they have only like few. It's tiny. Oh, yeah, we have to really. Oh, chickens. You have only little area here. Okay. I'm going to give them the food. Our scrub. Yeah. This. So I'll just dump it like this. Oh. There you go. But you have their food here like this. Ah. I know. And I really need to get your water, huh? So I'm going to leave you. I know. And I'm going to get water. I need water. Oh. So nice. Neighbors. That's her. Here, like guys. So thick. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's not frozen. So this is usually my day. It wasn't really snow last night, but it was like windy. So this, my kids would love to play here. I like to play with snow. Crunchy. Okay, nice, huh? Oh. You have to give them water twice a day because it's frozen like fast. And I have to put back the thing so this will not get frozen. Yeah. What happened to my... Oh. Okay. Sorry guys. I only have... Oh, I have to collect also the eggs. Hello again. See how this... Yeah. Look at this thing. Oh. Okay, water. Oh, water. See? Oh, look at them. Oh, so nice of water, huh? What do you think? Oh. Yeah. How's your feet? Huh? They're cold? Oh. And also this thing. Okay. It's okay. Why you always want the dirty water? Silly. I give you clean now. Oh, they're getting big. We have them like chicks. And now they're big. Laying eggs for us. Look us out, 2 roosters. Hey, handsomes. It's nice to hear this, huh? It's okay, ladies. You can drink it. It's nice to have water, huh? It's not that cold in here. We really put something to block the wind. It's kind of good. Oh, yeah. It's really, really cold. Yep. Okay, I'll go now. Put the last drop. Oh. Okay, bye, chickens. Stay warm, okay? I need to get the eggs. Because if I will not get the eggs, they will crack. Look. Oh. There we go. Now we're going to collect eggs. Just, oh my goodness, it's so windy. Oh, oh, oh. Not really happy. Oh, we have animals lurking around our yard. Oh, we just have 1 egg. Oh, 2 eggs. Okay, 2 eggs. Oh, there's one in here. Yeah. Okay, 2 eggs. Oh, it's cold. Hot. Okay, it's too windy. I better go. Oh yeah. It's really, really windy. Yes. Oh. I'm going to do now, since I'm outside, going to check north, other side of the house. See this? Oh, here are other animals' footprints. Look, our bamboos, they're dying. Oh, man, it's nice to have warm clothes. Huh? Okay, truck. See how I like snow. Yeah, everything you see is just white, except for the the pine is still green and some other. They're beautiful, huh? So this is our street. Oh, since I'm here, I'm just going to get the mail. Huh. My day. Oh, no one. I can really get. No one is here. I have to go fast. Oh. Ah. Mails and mails. I cut it. Yeah. See this? I got all the mails, junk mails. Ah. I think I'm going to mow. Not mow, plow for my parents to arrive later. It's kinda. I need my daughter to see how thick, very thick. I have to plow.